Hello guys, welcome to SheEnlightens. Becoming a smart student involves adopting effective learning strategies and developing good study habits. Here are some ideas to help you become a smart student. Now some will say कि इसकी क्या ज़रूरत है फालतू में time pass. No, I also avoided these important things during my early preparation. ये सबको लेंदी लगता है कि टॉपिक पढ़ो फिर बुक बंद करके रिकॉल करो कि कितना याद है और कितना ब्लर है एंड दैट्स वाई वी ऑलवेज स्किप दिस पार्ट स्किप सच टेक्निक्स ऑफ रिविजन एंड एट द एंड बहुत लोड आ जाता है कि सब फेमिलियर है बट एग्जैक्ट याद कुछ नहीं. सम रीजन्स बिहाइंड दिस आर मे बी एक फ्लो चल रहा होता है वायर रीडिंग वो टूट जाता है ये सब टेक्निक से और मे बी पता होता है कि नहीं होगा रिकॉल और समटाइम्स ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस होता है कि इतना इजी तो है क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करिए सब छोटे रिविजन से एक बार और मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम पढ़ लेंगे हो जाएगा रिविजन हो जाएगा सब कुछ याद. करेक्ट ना? नो. वाइल रिवाइजिंग एक्सेप्ट द फेलियर वर्क हार्ड एंड मूव ऑन. Understand the topic, seek clarification, practice regularly, and stay organized. This will help you. If you have doubts or questions, please don't hesitate to seek clarifications from your teachers if you are studying in coaching, or you can go to like online resources like lectures or find out by yourself. Yeah, you are going through all this to become IAS to handle a whole district. Understand the concept fully is crucial for long-term retentions. Remember, consistent practice is essential for mastering any subject. Practice regularly leads to regular review and revise the material to reinforce your understanding and identify the areas that need obviously the improvement. Maintain an organized study environment. Stay organized means that you have to maintain an environment where you can study effectively. Keep your notes and study materials in order and use tools like calendars or planners to track your deadlines for each topic which you have made. Now let's move on to the effective methods or strategies to make yourself more smarter and let's say more attentive. So effective learning strategies can help students improve their understanding, retention and application of knowledge. Here are some strategies to consider. So first is active learning. Engage actively while the learning material by participating in discussions, asking questions, understanding the concept through real world situations. This is effective and then this helps deepen understanding and promotes retention. Obviously, second is retrieval practice. Test yourself on the material by actively recalling information while referring to notes or resources. This practice enhances long-term memory and strengthens knowledge retention. Same which we were talking about, book open करो, पढ़ो, बंद करो, recall करो, then move on. Third is spaced repetition, which is very effective in my opinion. Please consider this. Distribute your study sessions over time rather than cramming all at once. This approach allows for better retention and helps reinforcing learning. This whole thing is going to be covered from your strategy itself, which you have made from scratch. Fourth, which is mind mapping. Use usual tools like mind maps or concepts like maps to organize and connect ideas. This visual representation enhance comprehension and aid in memory recall. This particular technique is very useful for current affairs, recalling current affairs, maintaining current affairs, and also essay. So this fifth thing, I can assure you that you have had heard from many people like बचपन में MBA etc etc. So this thing particularly is very important and easier because it is organized or maintained in spoken language or shortcuts. So it helps to utilize memory aids such as acronyms, visualization techniques or rhymes to remember complex information on list. Mnemonic devices make information more memorable and easier to recall. Then sixth is chunking. Break down complex information into smaller, manageable chunks. Or you can make it like extreme smaller or peak extreme smaller, because see, nobody cares. The only fact is that you have to understand your own notes. This helps in better understanding and retention of the material, retention of your own material. Then let's go to seventh thing, which is teach others. So this particular technique is used by many aspirants and which I also use, which helps in explaining concept to others, can solidify your understanding and help identify any gaps in knowledge. Teaching others can also reinforces your own learning. Obviously, yes. Then utilize multisensory techniques. Engage multiple senses during learning, such as reading aloud, using visual aids, or incorporating hands on activities. This stimulates different areas of brain and enhances comprehension. As we all know कि एक टाइम बाद लर्निंग फन नहीं रहती, बस रिविजन रह जाती है. And then ninth number, I don't even want to say this word because I just overused it in so many videos, so many my previous videos. So let it be. So it is time management. So I have said this in my previous videos too, that please learn this technique because this is very effective, very effective, which helps in plan and allocate dedication time for studying, focusing on one task at time, avoiding multitasking as it can reduce focus and hinder effective learning. Besides current affairs, I only focus on one subject at a time and sometimes two. Usually I do not maximize this number on daily basis because this actually reduces my focus and affect my results. But in your case, if this helps in your favor, then you can try 2 3 subjects, 3 4 subjects at a time. It's your call. Then 10th is reflect and review. Take time, I will say weekly or on week offs, to reflect on what you have learned and review your notes regularly. Reflecting helps reinforcing learning and identify areas that need further attention, which is obviously we are going to do to update and improve our daily notes. Then going further, I have drawn a small star here just to tell you that this is very important. Remember that each student may have unique learning preferences, so it's important to experiment with different strategies and find what works best for you. Combining multiple strategies and adapting them to your specific needs can lead to more effective learning outcomes. Which effective needs? This which we have just gone through. So I have a message for you. Yeah, you got this. I'm actually very proud of you. I really appreciate your time, that you watched this video till the end, and appreciate your efforts for constantly being productive. And I appreciate your want to increase your productivity and accept yourself, whoever you are, whatever you are up to. This trick will make your preparation more effective and more sustainable. Just don't give up and keep glowing. You got this. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep working hard and stay focused on your goals. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.